Okay, this is a Hobart rotisserie oven. It's basically an oven, just like normal ovens that have, but the special idea behind this one is that you put your product on these on the skewers, or you can have a basket attachment, and then that product rotates around the oven and can promotes even cooking. There's a fan in the back that blows that hot air around, just like a convection oven. The only difference between this and a convection oven is that the product moves around as well with the air. So this oven is, you can fit a lot of product in there on those skewers. And then how you want to open the door, we're kind of in a closed space here right now. So when you do open the door, you want to stand back a little bit and open it up, let that heat dissipate up into and open it all the way. Okay, now you can check on your product. You can do what you need to do here. I'm gonna wait till this bar comes back, and then you hit this button. It says push to rotate and push to pause. So what you do is you stop it. Okay, now you can get oven mitts or something. This oven isn't really hot, so I can touch this. But then you can take the product out. Okay, has a little bit of a lip here. You can see a double where the metal fits in that little hole. Okay, so that's how it goes in and out of the in and out. So you just take it out here, and then you can take your product and put it on a tray, that sort of thing. So if you wanted to go to the next one, you would hit the button and it'll rotate, and then you can stop it and then take out your next bit of product. When you go to clean this oven, all these bars have to be cleaned. There's like 6 more of them, and then all inside the oven needs to be cleaned, including this wheel that is a little bit harder to clean. You're going to have soapy water. You're going to have grease that drips down here. So you can take this grate system is this will get all the big chunks of meat or gristle or anything that can go into the grease bin, into the compost, and then this can get scrubbed and put through the dishwasher. And when you do it like this, there's a little bit of a drain right here. Okay, so all the soapy water, all the bits go down that drain. And then what you do is you hit the auxiliary button, and then it'll pump that out. And so all your liquid is going to come through this tube down here and into a bucket, an empty bucket. And then after you take your soapy water out of here, you can empty that bucket and then run some clean water, okay, as well. And then so the tube doesn't get smelly and stinky. It's very important. When you go to program the oven, it's kind of a lengthy process. You'll probably do it with one of the chefs. When you're cleaning, because we all know when we clean equipment like this, we clean all around, we clean underneath, right? We clean the front. There's some sharp edges, okay? So when you're cleaning these types of things, you have to be careful of these sharp edges. There's some here. This oven also has a double-lined window, okay? So it's double walled, so you clean this side, clean here. This one doesn't get very dirty, but maybe the inside here gets a little bit, the outside you're cleaning here as well. And then all the pieces go back in the oven at the end of the day, so they don't get lost and we know where they are, okay? So that's the rotisserie oven.